Hi, everybody. So, I've been giving career guidance for students, and today I'm going to talk about a very important career, which is a teaching career, because teachers are always very important for us. And this is a career which is going to last for long. This is a fantastic career which every one of us should look forward because you get immense satisfaction by taking up and involving yourself in teaching, as well as you get good amount of money if you're an efficient teacher. And there are several ways and means to become a good teacher. So let me talk about the different opportunities in teaching career. Okay, so you're all aware about me. I'm Dr. Usha Ishwaran, and let me introduce myself. I'm an engineer basically, and have done my PhD in electronics and communication engineering. And I have a company named Seek, wherein we focus on skill development, career guidance, and academic consultancy. And I'm an academician, educationist, entrepreneur, career analyst, life skill coach, motivational speaker, NLP master practitioner, and a YouTuber. I have 30 years of experience and addressed more than 20 lakhs of people and trained more than 1 lakh students and placed more than 10,000 students and counseled more than 1 lakh people. So today I'm going to talk about teaching as a career. The teacher is someone, it's not like they come to the class and they just teach, they talk about the subject and go off. They do more than that, something more than that. They give us a life, they shape us our life. So that is the reason I say that teaching is a noble profession where every one of us can take up and excel in our lives. It is not a stopover game or a job or a career which we take until we get another one. This is a dedicated one, and not everybody can become a good teacher. A teacher takes a hand, opens a mind, and touches a heart. And when we talk about a teacher, who is a teacher, teaching an individual is like supporting discovery every minute, and one who will be looked up as an idol and sometimes replaced as a parent too. And it is a major responsibility on every aspiring teacher and successful teacher to take care of their students in every way. And let's remember, we are dealing with young minds and a soft heart. And here, when we talk about teachers, there are three P's which define a teacher. They are passion, perseverance, and patience, what every teacher has. And teacher plays an essential role in education. That is also to be kept in mind. And not only the teaching as a profession, but also as a passion, takes you to greater heights. And they are not only ordinary teacher, as I said, they don't teach alone the subjects, they also become our mentors. And teachers teach or share their knowledge and also skills. So we should remember that the teacher's job is not only to tell what is there in the textbook, but also to share the skills, teach the skills, and they act as a pillar to the society. And when we compare this as a teacher, teacher is like a potter who delicately shapes our impressionable minds and molds it into a vessel that defines our perception and ambitions. And they are like potters actually, because as we know, the potters shape the clay. We just give the clay and they shape them into vessels, and each and every the design looks different. It depends upon the skill of the potter. Similarly, the skills of the teacher determines what sort of children or what sort of future citizens they are going to shape. So some may do some mistake by not understanding the exact abilities of the children, but still later on it changes, and of course the teachers can make a huge difference in our lives. And so skill level of the teachers also varies, and they make unique creatures in the world, bringing out each and every part of the abilities of the children. And teaching was, is, and will always be a noble profession. And it not only focuses on educating individuals, but grooming them with skills and values for life and livelihood. And many people have thought of taking this teacher career, and one should answer these questions whether they will make good teachers. That means, do you love to be around children? Do you have tremendous patience? Do you find satisfaction in helping others? And do you enjoy gathering and sharing information? And do you have good communication skills? So this all makes you a good teacher. And here, teaching is undoubtedly a challenging and rewarding career. And although for young school leavers, it is often at least sought after. And in fact, watching children grow, enjoy learning, and gaining new skills can be very, very rewarding. And there are many young women and men who take up teaching once they understand what a huge difference they can make in the lives of young people. And it can be financially rewarding and soul satisfying as well. So this is something which every one of us should look after, because everyone wanted to be happy and also earn a lot of money, and a lot of demand for teachers, like there are nearly 10 lakh teachers are in demand now. And also in 2030, it is expected that nearly there will be 3 million recruitments. And type of teaching, like different places, you can go for a preschool teaching, primary school, secondary and higher secondary teaching, college and universities, teaching in non-schooling avenues like private tuitions and coaching classes too. And if you talk about the roles of a teacher, imparting knowledge, building character, shaping personality, nourishing their ideas, and guiding them to decisions which will benefit their future is the job of a teacher. And there are several routes leading towards a career in teaching depending on what type of teacher you want to become. So let me start with a nursery or pre-primary teacher. So what does a nursery teacher do? A nursery or a pre-primary school teachers are involved in teaching young children in the age group of 2 to 5 years. And some of the nursery schools are often referred to as kindergarten schools, as they follow the kindergarten education methods. And some of the nursery schools also follow the Montessori educational approach, and they are called Montessori schools. And these schools prepare students to transition from home to primary schools by teaching the best of communication, language, and numbers. And they mostly use various activities such as playing, singing, drawing, coloring, arranging objects in order, and other practical tasks. And what do you need to become a nursery teacher? You need to have a nursery teacher training certificate, a degree, or a diploma. So here, to become a nursery or school, pre-primary school teaching, after 12th, you need to have this NTT, Nursery Teacher Training course. And also you have to do a kindergarten training program or a Montessori teacher training program that lasts from 9 months to 1 year. And you may also complete your graduation in any subject first and then do any of the above training programs. And some nursery and pre-primary schools recruit graduates directly as teachers. And if you have right skills, you can become your career. You can begin your career as a teacher after your graduation. And as a primary teacher, how can you become a primary teacher? Primary school teachers are involved in teaching students of class 1 to 5 and play an important role in overall development of the students. And here, in order to become a primary school teacher, you need to do this. After completion of 12th, you can do a diploma in education, that is DED, which is a 2 years diploma course. And after completion of 12th, you can do a primary teacher training program, which is of 2 years duration. And also you need to do a Bachelor of Elementary Education, and it is offered for training teachers at primary or elementary school level. And also you need to take the TET exam, that is teacher eligibility test. And If you want to take up teaching as a profession as a higher secondary classes, then you must follow these paths. And this is for teaching 5 to 10 classes. And the higher secondary school teachers are involved in teaching students of 11th and 12th. And as a higher secondary school teacher, you need to have a postgraduate degree too. And when we talk about how to become this, you need to have a BEd degree and a PG degree too for higher secondary classes. And you need to write CTE test, actually CTET test, because this is the one which will help you to work in central government schools and government schools. And also this is conducted by the CBSE. And if you want to become a college professor, then you need to have a UG, PG degrees, and even a PhD degree is required. And you have to write the NET exam to qualify, and this is the highest position you can seek for. And also, some state governments they do this SET exam, and the teaching allows you to shape the future of young generations, and thus you contribute towards building a cultured society. And you get nearly 20,000 to 1 lakh of payment per month, and a college teacher may earn 48,000 to 2 lakh, and a university teacher can earn 60,000 to 2 lakh 40,000 based on your experience and the subject expertise you have. So subject matter expert, you can also become a subject matter expert. And also with your expertise, you can also teach in entrance exam coaching institutes. And also, if you have masters and PhD level education, you can expect attractive salaries. And these are all overall idea about the what you have to do. A NET exam or kindergarten training program or a Montessori program for nursery teacher, DEd, PTT, BLEd, and TET for primary school teachers, BEd, CTET, TET for secondary level, and also for colleges you need BEd, MEd, NET, SET, etc. And some of the challenges you have, like changing technological trends, dealing with the Gen Z students, continuous self-learning and conflict management are all very much required for a teacher. And the skills what you require, you need to develop your leadership quality, clarity, commitment, communication, creativity, adaptability, teamwork, ability to teach, empathy, dedication, self-evaluation, high E and EQ, patience, self-confidence, imaginative thinking, approachableness, interpersonal skills, enthusiasm, discipline, and computer skills. So I have covered all the things that is required to become a teacher. That is a wonderful thing you can look forward, because it's really great to be a teacher. Thank you so much for listening to me. And this is my contact number and email ID. And you all know my YouTube channel. So subscribe and watch all the videos I share. Thank you so much for your listening, and look forward for some more futuristic careers. Stay blessed.